มาสายจีใบเวกูให้กันดอนฟอประคัดแล้วทาร์เวค่ะมีตั้มตะกินินเราเอ็นค่ะวิดีโอเช่นขัดค่ะกันหมูกิมเลยว่าตัวน่ะจวนินกันหมูกิมตาตัวเตะหัวลมหนักๆบ่ก็เราเอ็นเละโดนเนี่ย
Necessary detail, but like.
Why do you? I'm sorry. What do you think about this watermelon here?
It's a cucumber.
It's a
It's a
cucumber.
giant cucumber. I'm telling you, it's a giant cucumber.
Well, we're about to figure that out.
It is a giant cucumber.
We're gonna find out what it really is and what's inside it.
Okay.
and also we're
It's either an alien egg or a cucumber.
and if whoever guesses the closest how much it weighs will get a prize
50 pounds.
okay so
Blue.
who's gonna get it from there okay pick it up spin it
All of us! Room! All of us carry it!
Oh, this is heavy.
okay go up to
50 pounds.
there go up there one at a time go on the ground go on the grass go on the grass
Where are we gonna weigh it?
right there well
Oh.
everybody's gonna pick it up
Road.
here okay
Road.
Road. Road.
okay you lined up here you lined up you guys lined up
You'll never take me.
okay rude I can't
Give me a second.
honey they need to line up here okay tell
15 pounds.
Okay.
now
This is a real news, people. All right.
Finn, can you hold it?
How many pounds do you think?
I think like 30 pounds.
30 pounds. Finn. Okay.
Take it.
Lars. 15, 30. Now what's Lars?
10.
10?
Leave him alone.
Want him to drop
Okay.
it.
30. 15, 30, and 10.
30-pound cucumber, people.
Seiji.
30 pounds.
Seiji can't decide. What are you talking about?
30 pounds cucumber.
No.
You're not getting any prize.
You can hold it. Rooney, come here.
Rudy, Emmy wants Seiji to try to hold it and fall down.
Okay.
Seiji's like, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? Oh!
How much does it weigh, Sage? How much?
How many? How much it weighs?
How much does it weigh, Sage?
Okay,
It
that's
weighs.
Is it- oh! Did you get Zuckerberg?
So our watermelon,
You know what? I'm
21 pounds.
I'm
Okay,
mature, so
here's another guess. Who thinks that it's gonna be sweet or not sweet?
No, I guess that it's actually a cucumber.
So if it's a cucumber, what color would it be inside? Green or white? Yeah. Let's see. Gosh,
It's
this
gonna be sweet.
is as hard as a rock. Whoa, oh my gosh, honey.
Wait.
Maybe it's not ready.
It's actually.
Tell me this is a big cucumber.
I think it's gonna be sweet.
No! It is a watermelon.
Oh, and real seeds too. I can.
Oh, it's been a long time since I've had a watermelon with seeds.
Hun, I just turned. I can't cut it, so. I can't cut it because my.
โอเล่กันดอนฟอจูปาวน์สมหิประคัดอันนี้อะกระตูเต้นตู้มานันริงดิกแล้วว่าเอ็งพ่อนี่เซอันวามกันติเวียกันหิมเล่ไหมกัชแนลเตมินเราเอ็นสักเซลวางินกันลอมเอ็ม thank you so much God bless